DocuWare enables you to find documents at the press of a button, no matter what program you're in. With the Smart Connect add-on module, you can add a special document search button to any application. Click the button to instantly get all the documents you need to do your work. For example, all incoming invoices are recorded in this accounting software window. To view the corresponding invoice, simply click on the search button, and there it is, thanks to the automatic Smart Connect search. Smart Connect reads the content from the application's open window and uses it for search terms. So you can also call up all your correspondence using just the contact name, as you see here. It takes just one click on the Smart Connect search button displayed in the program. You only need to configure the software once, the content to be read by Smart Connect and used for the search. Begin installing Smart Connect in desktop apps. To set up Smart Connect, go to Configuration and select Smart Connect. Click Smart Search to configure the search. A wizard guides you through the rest. You'll specify in which DocuWare file cabinet Smart Connect should search for the invoice. Then define which contents from the program should be used by Smart Connect for the search. Create a screenshot from this application, a piece of cake with the wizard. The areas to be read by Smart Connect and used as search terms are now defined in the screenshot. Because we want to find all the invoices for a specific customer, we add a readout area over the section, which contains the company name, and assign the corresponding DocuWare field to it. The content of the area drawn is later read from the application and used as a search term. Smart Connect can now find all the documents related to this customer. Since we need only the invoices, we enter the fixed value invoice under the document type. Now just determine where you want the search button in the program window. And whenever you open the accounting software, that's where it'll be.